Hey, so if your Zen browser extensions suddenly stopped working, disappeared, or aren't responding correctly, yeah, that can break a lot of browser features pretty quickly. Usually the problem comes from extension conflicts, corrupted files, or browser settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zen browser extensions not working step by step. All right, first, completely close Zen browser and reopen it because temporary glitches can stop extensions from loading properly. Now open the extensions page and make sure the affected extension is actually enabled. Some extensions conflict with each other, especially blockers, security tools, or tab managers. Outdated extensions may stop working correctly after browser updates, so check for available updates. Make sure Zen browser itself is fully updated because compatibility problems can break extensions. Corrupted cache files can sometimes prevent extensions from loading or functioning correctly. If a specific extension still isn't working, remove it completely and install it again. Running the browser in safe mode can help identify whether another extension or setting is causing the issue. If extensions still fail, create a fresh browser profile because the current profile may be corrupted. And yeah, that's it. One of these fixes will usually get Zen browser extensions working normally again.